Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch a Subaru STI, warm the engine and brakes, confirm tire pressures, and set traction control to your chosen mode. Position the car on firm pavement with a straight line and clear exit. Use a light clutch slip to build RPM, then release smoothly while modulating throttle to maintain traction. Keep steering steady and monitor wheel spin to find the best power delivery point. Start by finding the ideal launch RPMs for your STI and clutch engagement point. Hold the brake with your left foot and apply throttle to target RPM for the planned launch. Release the clutch progressively while releasing the brake, blending inputs to avoid bogging or excessive spin. Practice this sequence until shifts and throttle modulation feel natural. Always choose a safe closed course to build consistency and confidence with your anticipate shifts by listening and feeling turbo spool and RPM. Execute fast, firm shifts while maintaining a steady wheel torque to keep acceleration smooth. If a wheel spin spike occurs, lift slightly to regain grip and then resume power gently. Use short throttle blips to settle the balance during gear changes if needed. After a launch, avoid abrupt stops and let the turbo and drivetrain cool with moderate driving to prolong component life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.